May mga nagtatanong kasi sa akin kung paano ko ini-edit ang aking video. So, I decided na gumawa ako ng sariling video editing tutorial. So, in this video, tuturo ako kayo kung paano gumawa ng intro at outro. Hi everyone, I'm Yue and welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, kailangan alam muna natin kung ano ba yung intro at outro. So, video intro is a beginning visual of a video. So, dito makikita mo mga title, subtitles, voiceover that explain what the video is about. Dito mo rin makukuha yung first impression ng viewers mo.
The application we are going to use is the Capcut app. Disclaimer: this is not a promotion video. If you don't have Capcut app, you can download the app in Play Store. If you already have it, kindly open the app. To start, please click the new project. You can choose a video or photo you like to make as your video intro, but for me, I choose a photo for my background. Select photo, then click it. Now you can start to create a video intro. First, you can add text. You can also change font style, font color, styles, bubbles. You can also add animation to the text. Once you're done, just click the tick on the upper corner, and if you like to see their result, just click the play button. You can select the ending video and click the delete icon to remove the watermark. Now select the text and adjust into half of slide. Now add photo, click overlay and select photo. Find mask, click circle. You can adjust the circle, place it where you like, but for me I place it on the center. Now you can add circle GIF as a frame of your photo. And place it properly to your photo. You can add text as title or introduction of yourself. Add animation and place it under your photo. Now you're done, you can add any idea you like. Your imagination is the limit. You can now click the up arrow on the upper corner of the screen to save your video.
So ngayon, alam mo na kung ano yung intro. Dapat alam mo rin kung ano yung outro. Video outro, sometimes it called end screen or end card. Ito yung last part ng video na makikita pagkatapos mong gawin yung pinaka main content mo. Dito sa outro, pwede mong ilagay yung mga call to action o you can invite them to subscribe to your channel or to follow you on your other social media account. Pwede ka rin dito maglagay ng credit rolls na nagte-thank you ka kasi pinanood nila yung video mo, or pwede mo rin ditong ilagay yung previous video mo or next video mo kung may prepared ka na.
Now we are going to make our video outro. Open your Capcut app. Click New Project to start. I choose Photo, select and add. Select the slide, then drag up to 5 seconds. Now you can add text. You can change font style, font color and styles. You can also add animation. Add circle G, I, F where you can put your photo and place it to the center. Add subscribe stickers and place it under your photo. Add rectangle sticker where you can place your previous video. Resize and place it on the side. Add tag by add text and place it over your rectangle sticker. You can put your other social media account by adding stickers, but I already have prepared photo. So I overlay new photo, then click add. You can now resize and place it on the other side. Add text to remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Change font style, font color, resize and place it under. Now you're done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell button to keep updated.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel for today's video. Hello guys, welcome back. My family.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you.